बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन। अल्लाह तेरी इबादत करते हैं और तेरे से मदद मांगते हैं।
He was born in Lahore in 1952. He attained his early education from Lahore and went to Aitchison College, Lahore in 1969. Then he went to Oxford University for higher education in 1971, where he studied politics and economics. He joined Pakistan cricket team during late 1972. Soon after joining the national team, he became the captain of Pakistan cricket team in 1976. Pakistan won its first ever test against England in 1982 when Imran Khan was the captain. Pakistani team has won the Cricket World Cup of 1992 under the captaincy of Imran Khan. Soon after winning the World Cup, he announced his retirement from cricket in 1992. In 1994 he started planning of Shaukat Khanan Memorial Cancer Hospital in Peshawar, which is functional now. In 1996 he started politics with the creation of new party, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaaf. His party participated in election of 2002 and won only one seat of National Assembly. In 2007, he led a campaign for the freedom of judiciary and was arrested by Pervez Musharraf. His party boycotted 2008 elections. He got injured during the campaign of 2013 elections and was admitted to hospital. His part was main opposition in 2013 elections. Finally in 2018, his party won most of the seat of National Assembly and Imran Khan sworn in as the 22nd Prime Minister of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. In 2019 he put a resolution in front of National Assembly against Islamophobia.
He's ridiculed when he's insulted. It hurts as we human beings understand one thing: the pain of the heart is far, far, far more hurtful than physical pain. And that's why the Muslims react. And I always thought that if I ever had the stage, I would try and explain this to the world community, especially to the Western community, because having lived in the Western community, people didn't understand this.